Stop. Please make it make sense for me. How come Liquid Telecom has just dropped their prices with 45% in US dollars? I mean, the irony of the matter is that all along they've been charging more than 45% in terms of pricing, and now they are charging 45% less. This comes to tell you that the Zimbabwean networks, or the network providers, or ISPs, have been ripping off customers. It's almost like what happens on the Black Friday. You hear people saying that what you used to get for $25, you are now getting it maybe for $10. The truth of the matter is they were ripping you off all along. So to Zimbabweans and all those who are pro data like me, and especially me as a content creator, I really want to see more data slashes, or data falling, or data becoming more affordable for people like us. What do you make of this move by Liquid Telecom? Is it the Starlink effect, or what is it? But to me, I sense that this ripping off must come to an end. We must have affordable data costs. Because look, we are not in a war. Data in Afghanistan is even cheaper than here in Zimbabwe. Make it make sense to me.